Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the capital gain arise from the long-term capital asset transfer other than the house property. Income Tax Act provides the exemptions from the long-term capital gain arising from the transfer of assets other than house property under section 54F. The conditions for the exemptions are: first, the assessee needs to be an individual or HUF. There needs to be a transfer of a long-term capital asset other than the residential house property. Third, the assessee has invested the amount within 1 year before or 2 years after the date of the transfer of original asset, and in case of construction within 3 years from the date of the transfer of original asset. Fourth, the assessee should not own more than one residential house before the purchase of new house at the time of the transfer of original asset. And the fifth, the assessee should not purchase any other house after 2 years from the date of the transfer of original asset or construct within 3 years from the date of the transfer of original asset other than the new house. Now, if the above conditions are fulfilled, if the amount invested is more than the net consideration, then the whole of the capital gain is exempt. Otherwise, the capital gain as bears to the whole of the capital gain, the same proportion as the amount invested is to the bears to the net consideration will be exempt. Apart from the above exemption, the investment amount in specified bonds like NHAI, REACL or any other specified by the government is also available as an exemption under this section. The only points to be noted is that the bond should be invested within 6 months from the date of the transfer of original asset. The maximum amount of investment is rupees 50 lakhs and there is a lock-in period of 5 years. Again, the investment so made, if it is more than the capital gain, then whole of the capital gain is exempted, or otherwise whatever the amount is invested is exempt and the balance is taxable. So, this way we have discussed the available exemptions from the capital gain of the transfer of long-term capital asset other than the residential house property. Thank you.